Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. I wanted to make like a little candle display that has lots of bling and personality for Valentine's Day. I start with one of just these chunky wood rounds from the Dollar Tree, and I fill in the ornament hanger on there with a little bit of spackle just to give me a smooth base for a candle display. I'm going to be displaying a battery operated candle that I got at the Dollar Tree there that I'm also going to add lots of bling to. Now, I was going with like some metallic golds. I thought that would be really fun for Valentine's Day. So this is just some gold acrylic paint that I'm going to paint the chunky wood round with. I think I picked that up at Dollar General, the paint, but it works really well. Now for the bling on the outside of this one, I'm using some of the gold little flower stickers from the Dollar Tree. I'm reinforcing when I start and stop on there with some hot glue. They are stickers, but they always stay on there a little bit better if you help them out, at least on the ends there. So just a dot of hot glue on each end to make sure it stays on there. Now I got a red battery operated candle that I think is going to look really good on there. And just trying it on for size to see what kind of room I have to work with. I'm going to add some of the little bling heart stickers from the Dollar Tree. These are like a light pink. I think they have these in all different colors. And just trying to space these out evenly, I just go all the way around and do a row of bling. And then I decided to add even more, making it just completely bordered in those. And just trying to have them equally spaced as well. Now it's time to DIY the candle. It is a bright red, but I thought we would add a little bling to this as well. Using some of the Dollar Tree glitter, I thought it'd be really cute to do pink. So I just put some pink glitter out like on a paper plate and removed the packaging from our little red battery operated light. What I want to do is bling the outside so the top of the candle will still be red, but I want the sides of the candle to be pink glitter. I thought that'd be really cute. So I'm just going to attach that with Mod Podge. It's so easy to do. All I'm going to do is paint Mod Podge all over the sides of this and gently roll it in the glitter to give it lots of sparkle. This turned out really well. I was really happy with it. It pretty much took the entire little package of glitter for the sides of this and then just testing it out to make sure it works. I thought the final last step would be a little red glitter sticker, also from the Dollar Tree. Those are foam, right there on the front to make it look festive for Valentine's Day. This is how it turned out. I love it. If you would like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.